Tiara is back at it with another review. Let's check it out. Let's go. Today, I'm reviewing the GILDAN Soft Style. Great shirt. I had never tried it on. This is the first time I try it on. It's a 60-40 blend. It's 60% cotton, 40% polyester, which gives it that really soft feel. It says that it's not an athletic fit. It's a modern classic fit. To me, it all sounds the same. Tomato, it is identical. It's athletic fit. It fits really good on the arms, nice and snug, like I like it. Gotta admit it, I love the biceps and I love to show them off. And I like the length of it. It's perfect. One thing that I've always noticed that if I try on the GILDAN, the neck bothers me. But for some reason, they've done something to the neck of it and the collar does not bother me at all. It feels really light and soft, which is great. You don't want it to be coming down too much or too high. I think it's just perfect. Overall, I really think it's a steal of a shirt. It's excellent, and if you do like it, I'm gonna put the descriptions down below. And also, I have a special treat. I didn't plan on doing this, but I have a new hat. And we just got this brand, and it's MVP, the game. These hats are amazing. They look apart for sure. I mean, look at this hat. They are slick, really nice hats. So if you are looking for a baseball cap, flat bill, I'm gonna put that description down below as well because it is phenomenal. I gotta tell you, you wanna make sure that you get the hat. The t-shirt is perfect for every scenario. All I gotta say is descriptions are down below. Thank you for tuning in, and to the next one, I gotta go. Let's do this. Bye-bye.